Hey, we're alive. Alive or live? Anyway, yeah. Today I'm going to be working on the injury state for the characters once they are defeated in the battle. So right now I do have a way to give injuries. Let me see. Where am I? Okay, here. So how do I give injuries? One second, let me just set something up in the... So the injuries happen when the characters have injury health penalty percent. So we will have to, so this is a number. Oh, I get to update this. 1 second. So that's a number that is in percentage, like if it's 20, it's 20%. So what that does is it reduces the max health by that percentage. So if you have 100% health and then you get injured 20%, then your max health is going to be 80%. So it doesn't matter how many foods you eat to heal yourself, you're only going to be healing up to the 80%. So that's the idea. Now, when the battle ends, we need to actually apply this to the characters that have died during that battle. So that's the first thing we have to do. So let's see. When the battle ends. So I believe update is where we check constantly whether we have won the battle or not. So if the result is defeat, the result is going to be non-victory defeat. Okay, so we need to go here and then we need to do else if. Yeah, if it's a defeat, then we need to find the characters, the player characters that have died. So each character, I believe, has a state whether they have died or not. Do they? Oh, there has to be a trigger whether they die or not. Oh, this is character. I need to look at the battle unit. So character is the character state outside of the battles. I keep battle specific character states in the battle unit. So in here, we will know whether the character died or not, right? Hopefully. What do we have here? Spawn, remove, take damage. We'll find out in take damage. If the current health is 0, then there you go. The status is battle unit status dead. Okay, cool. So that means let's use AI. What we're gonna do is in update, when the battle ends with defeat, we need to handle handle injuring the dead battle units, dead characters with if they are dead in this current battle. Add a private method to handle this and stub it out for now. Okay, so we are going to just add a separate private method to control that, handle that, and then we will complete that method. Okay, handle defeat injuries. Okay, cool. So here in handle defeat injuries, get a list of player units that are dead. So we'll tag this file as an example because that's where we're setting the dead. That are dead, and print them. That's what we're gonna do for now. Dead units, add. Okay, well, we'll check it out. We'll see. Now, I don't want to keep testing and watching the battle whenever I need to test. So what is... Oh. Maybe you need to import link because it has an error. So link is a special syntax that you can use in C#, I learned. Yeah, so all of a sudden the select works now, right? So we're gonna accept that, and then we need to figure out a way to make the battle defeat immediately. So maybe inside update for testing actually let's add all the battle case testing code here. Battle tests. Like that, I guess. I want to add methods into battle tests class so that I can easily add a line in battle update method. So update method again is the method that loops constantly to check the state of the battle, right? for example, I want to immediately have all player units take huge damage as soon as battle enters combat, so the battle ends with defeat immediately. I don't know if this is going to be even possible. We'll have to see. I mean, theoretically, it seems like it's possible. Force defeat. Okay. Okay, let's see. So as soon as the battle begins, okay. Yeah, so that's fine. Okay, so that works, and when that happens, right, we will be entering here, and then we will be printing dead units, right? All right, so let's go back and here, dead units in battle. There you go. So this should work. Okay, so we should be seeing Royd as dead unit. All right, I'm gonna clear. Okay, so battle ended with victory. No, we need to be. Oh, sorry. Whether the battle ends with victory or defeat, the dead unit should still take injuries, right? Yeah. Why did I think it's only a defeat? Let's see. Something like that. So yeah, that's correct. So that's correct. I saw something weird. Let me just, because when I enter the battle, the buttons on the right side, their location is not correct. Oh, okay. They should really be like anchored to the right, I think. Yeah, let me fix that. I think I need to fix that. 1 second. Battlefield. 2D. Right, so it's anchored in a weird way. Buttons. Okay, the buttons have to be taking the entire screen. And 0, 0, 0, 0. And then the actual buttons inside should be positioned pivot 1 like that, right? And then also relocate 1. Maybe the width is not big enough. Like that. How about replace? Yeah, replace the same thing. 1, 0. Okay. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give some space. Negative. Minus 100. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, and then the replace obviously gets disabled here. Okay, that's it. And then we go back to tutorial. Right, and then there you go. Now it doesn't matter how the screen is, it's always going to be on the right side, offset 100. That's perfect. Now, yeah, and we also printed that this is working properly, right? So let's accept all, and we will be force defeat, and then we will, where's the injury? Yeah, so we will do this, handle injuries, and then we will have a list of injured units, and then with the list of injured units we need to apply injury. So with the characters, yeah, the injury health penalty percent, you can add, let's see here, public, let's add a method here called add injury from battle defeat. No, from battle. For this character, right? And then what we'll do is there a way to, so is there a given a unit, battle unit in my code, is there a way to like find a character of that unit? Let me see. I don't think so. Maybe the unit type. Yeah, unit type. Do I have unit type here? In the character? Unit type. No, I don't. Unit class. I wonder why. Okay, let's ask the AI. Given a battle unit, is there a way to find a respective character? Don't touch my code. Just let me know in one sentence. There's no direct reference from battle unit to character, but since battle unit has a unit type, property, and character.getCharacter, characters.getCharacter unit type is used in the battle unit constructor. Interesting. So we have get characters. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's perfect. So given a unit type, we're gonna be we're gonna be getting the character. Okay, so that means in handle defeat injuries, for each dead unit, get the character instance and call add injury from battle. In add injury from battle, apply apply random injury percentage integer between 10 and 20 inclusive to that character. All right. So we've got a problem here. Characters is part of the character system namespace, so we need that. Okay. All right, so let's play the game again. Actually, we need to force defeat, yeah. All right. Run the battle. They're gonna get defeated immediately. And then if I open character screen here, HP, oh, this is interesting. they are defeated because they are dead. Now I've got a problem because, yeah, their HP has to be 0. So HP is not being updated. And I do think oh, so this is off as well, this percentage, right? This is 120% here because I just injured Royd from being killed in the battle by 1 maximum HP. And then his current HP went over the maximum, which is incorrect. And then that would be 120% HP. So first thing first, we need to apply we need to carry over the HP from the battle to the character when we exit the battle. So how do we do that? So here, add injury from battle. Okay, instead of doing that, what we need to do is update health after battle, and then health, new health, I guess, new health. Sorry, this is not TypeScript. So the new health will come over after the battle is finished. And then current health will be new health. And then if the new health is this, add injury from battle, and then this will be a private now. Right? Yeah. So if the character is dead, then we apply injury. Okay, so in here now, then we have to call, hold on, it's not handling defeat injuries. It's more like handling, sort of updating the health. Update health after battle. Right, that's what it is. And then not just for the dead units, for each player unit, we're gonna call character dot update health. Sorry, we need to get the character first. And then character dot update health, current health, and then all of this can go away. This can go away. This can go away. Yes. Let me accept that. Yeah, so once the combat ends, which we're forcefully getting defeated here because of the test code, we will come here, and then we're going to update health after battle. We're going to loop through each player unit, and then we're going to update the health after battle here. And then, yeah, so that is going to be okay, I think. Let me see. So click here to immediately get defeated, and then there you go. So that seems incorrect though. Why is the HP 6? Hold on, the maximum HP is 6. Ooh, what happens if I don't do that? Oh, still. Oh, no, wait. Is this correct? What is the... Let's see. What is the... Let's put some debugs here. So and so is dead. Current health. Current max health. Oh, Unity has its own random. Okay. What's the difference between Unity's random and what's the difference between Unity engine random and system random? The Unity engine's random part of Unity's engine, thread safe and deterministic, provide additional. Okay. Okay. Let's use Unity's random. Oh, it's already doing it. Okay, so Unity. So we're printing the character's name, their current max health before applying the injury. Max health before injury, and then we have after injury here. Okay. All right, let's take a look. All right, characters get defeated. And okay. Max health before injury is 6. After injury is 5. Joel before is 9. After is 6. Okay, so this is correct then. Everything is here is correct. Okay, cool. So yeah, nothing to worry about. This is all correct. And let me think. So the injury is applied. So let's test a case where we comment out the test code. And then let the battle play out and then see if the injured character is injured properly. I can't wait till these characters do skills and stuff. Okay, so we have Royd died, so only Royd should be injured. So that doesn't look like he's been injured. Okay, so here's the thing. Where is it? Here. Okay. You need to take at least one max HP injury hit. So in add injury from battle. Sorry, not there. Here. Okay, so for max health property calculation, if injury health penalty percent is bigger than 0, then we need to make sure we take the max of calculation. We need to make sure we take max of this or 1. This is so that we take at least calculation. If injury health penalty percent is bigger than 0, this is so that we take at least 1 HP injury penalty in the end. Okay. Okay, what is it doing? Yeah, okay. But this is wrong. Okay, your code is wrong. If it's 0, the penalty will be 0. How come? No, that's not true. No, that's not true. If this is 0, you're still gonna take 1 penalty. If injury health penalty percent is 0, then the current code is still taking 1 injury penalty. Yeah, this is wrong. So if the injury is bigger than 0, then do that, or 0. Okay. Yeah, that's more like it. So we're gonna have Royd's max HP at least always 5, basically, because Royd's gonna die here. Right, and then his max HP is without injury is 6, but he's gonna get 5. There you go. There you go. And then Joel's HP correctly updates after the battle as well. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So we're done with this one. Now, in the beginning of the battle, like Joel is this character. Joel is already injured, so you can see he has max HP of 12, but he's got injury, so his HP is now 9. I'm assuming, so this is all screwed up. Let me print out. Where can I print out initial stats? Yeah, Joel's current health is 12 and his injury health penalty is 90. So let's do a debug log. Yeah, Joel's max. How did AI know that? Like, I don't need to print the max health. Like, out of all the stats available, how did it know that I wanted to print the max health? It's crazy. It's like the AI is in my mind or something. Maybe the AI is going through all the histories of me touching this particular line. I don't know. Okay, so Joel's max health is 9 after the injury. So what is Joel's base max? Base health. Base max health. Okay. So base is before applying the injury percentage. Let's see. 17. Okay. Interesting. So Joel's max current health is 12. Base max health. Am I printing? No, I don't want the current health. I want also the there you go. So Joel base max is 17. He took a hit with the injury of 50%. Really? 50%? Like, that's 8. 50% is at least 8. So, oh yeah. That's correct. So 17 minus 8 is 9. And current health is 12. So what we need to do here is inside the constructor. Is there a constructor here? No, there isn't. Okay, interesting. So anyway, this is just incorrectly set. That's just what it is. Anyway, so we should never really get into this situation anyway. It should just be like 6 or something. Let's say 5. Right. So this is not ideal because this is not showing injuries. So what we need is the max HP without the injury for Joel is 17. But after the injury is applied, his new max HP is 9. So we need to stretch this bar and then show the injured part. You know what I mean? So that means we need to tweak the health bar, or we can just shorten this. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. So let's see. Console, layout, character, item list. Right. Character list item. This is probably it. Yeah. So in here, the frame itself has to be adjusted. How do I do that? So it's currently set to be stretching. Left. No. HP bar here. Width is 550. Okay, so we might be able to do it. 200. Ah, there you go. So 100% is 550. Okay. So what that means is we have to go to the code, scripts, UI, console, character list item, and then we have reference to the HP so we don't have the reference to the HP object, right? HP game object. And then here. Update HP injury state. So when the character is injured, yeah, we need that. So we are going to be receiving the injury health penalty percent, and we will have here full HP game object width. HP game object dot transform dot. Well, maybe we can just do this. Transform HP. And just do that. Transform dot. What was it that we? It's the width, right? Can you set the width? Okay. I don't know Unity enough to, yeah, so I'll just ask. Depend in render, depending on the integer number, we need to set the width of HP game object. If the injury number is 0, then we have full 550, for example. Minus 100 divided by, okay. I don't think we need this. $550. Yeah, I think this is it. Okay, so now we need to pass this properly. So how do we do that? Yeah, there you go. Like that. Okay, let's have a look. Sorry, I'm clicking. Something happened. Oh, I see, I know. Here, HP game object. Is it this one? Yeah. Like that? Okay. Whoa. Well, that's not correct. Maybe that thing, I really needed it. That 550F. Oh yeah. Oh, but the whole thing is squashed. No, I don't want that. How did I? Oh, that's not good. Let's see. Where do I find that? Console, layout, item list, content. Yeah. Details bar. Oh, it's because it changed the scale of it. Yeah, I just want to change the width. That's not what I wanted. I don't want to change the local scale. I want to change only the width. Let's see. Size delta. That's more like it, I think. Ah, there you go. Now you can see clearly this person is injured, right? So for injured character like that, we need to have, I mean, this looks obvious that this person is injured, but still I want to have some icon that tells you that this person is injured. So let's try to put like a skeleton icon or something, or some. I like that approach. Can we filter by sprites maybe? Material sprite, yeah. Do we have any like skeletons or any icon that might hint that someone's injured? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I like that. Skeleton. Right. Okay. So what we can do is we can open that prefab. What's it called? Skull. Okay. Okay, so get rid of that. Assets. Prefabs here. Right, so we're gonna put a little icon here. All right, we're gonna add UI, sprite, or image, or yeah, image. And we're gonna call it injury marker. And then we are going to anchor it to the right and keep the size of this to 50-50. and then we will move it to 0, and then probably offset it a little bit like that. And for this no raycast here, we put skull. Okay. Maybe we make it a little bit bigger to make it prominent. I like that. And then the skull itself should be colored, whoops, like bright red. Yeah. So if I change the HP bar to 100, there you go. Okay. And then now what we need is here, we need another serialized field, image, injury marker. And then in here, if injury percent is bigger, that's it. So if I go here and then injury marker to here, save the prefab, and then play the game, and voila. Right. And this guy is not injured. This guy is injured. Okay, I like that. And we have to do the same. We have to do the same during the battle. So during the battle, if I click here, you see this guy is already injured. So let me see if I can make that change. So prefabs, unit, okay, and we can see that the problem with this is that this background, foreground, okay. The problem with this is that this is right away, this health bar is not a prefab. So we need to make that a prefab. How can I do that? Sprites, scripts, shaders, animations, custom cutscenes, resources. Okay, let me, maybe I create a new folder called how should I call it? HUD. And I would call here like that, and then I would call that battle unit HP like that. copy that component, and then I use it on Roid as well. Yeah, delete that. And take that. Put it here. Maybe put it at the end. Oh, that's working properly. Okay. Same thing. Same thing for Joel. Let me put it down here. Maybe I would say player battle unit HP. Let's do that. Okay. And we go to Roid as well. Let's call that this. And then we go here. Let's call that this. And we will go to the enemy. Do the same thing. Yeah, this one. We will go here. And then we will call it enemy battle unit HP. Okay, and that's it. And then for this, we have to do the same thing. So background. What I'm wondering is why is this green image or whatever is going beyond the parent? Oh, it's because of the scale. Oh, that's why. I was wondering, always wondering why that was the case. Yeah, I'll fix it here too. Let me just check if everything is working okay after that change. Yeah, I mean, looks all right to me. Wait, is that bigger? Hold on, what is happening here? Prefab. Oh, delete. Enemy. Like that. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think everybody has same size now. Okay. And in the scene, this guy has incorrectly whoops. Yeah, I just need to disable that part. All right, so now we need to put the injury to the player's one. So so where do I put the injury here? I need to put another UI image like that, and then anchor it to the right. No. What am I looking at? I should be looking at it like this, I guess. And then skull. Make it bigger, I guess. Oh, hold on. I need to first make sure that this HP can shrink, right? Scale. Should I be using scale? Okay, so this image should go here then. So if this shrinks to 0.5, oh no, skull shrinks as well. That's not good. Okay, maybe the skull should be so this is injury. Marker. Maybe it should be put on top like that. Yeah. Okay, and then we have a script called health bar. Okay, so we can put injury marker here. And at the start, Okay. We're gonna keep it max health. Well, actually, just in case, I'm gonna do that. Sorry, I'm gonna do the whole thing like that. And okay, so this will ensure we are always displaying the fill amount like that. But now I'm going to be changing the scale, both background. Okay, so here in start, set the X local scale of the foreground. I also need the background bar, so oh no, I have a feeling that if I scale it, it's gonna look bad. What would be a good way? I think it's better for me to just let me think. Okay, I got an idea. With the injury, I would have to show the injured amount as well because the players won't know how severely injured this person is, right? Let me think. Um, if I do it like that, this becomes way too big, is it? Yeah. What just happened? Um, which character is actually doing that? Battle units. One second. Oh, it's still really big. Um, still super big. Hey, why isn't... What? the heck? Oh, maybe after that I have to apply it to... Ooh, that's not good. Okay, so that looks a bit better. Can I open the prefab? Oh, well, what? Save. Why is it going back? I don't... What? I don't understand. Okay, well that worked that time. I don't know what happened. Okay, all right, let's see. Now I need to apply this to both. So roid. I wonder if there's a quick way to load the latest change of the... Oh wow, that didn't work. I wonder why there's a difference here. Oh, I think it's because... Joel, can I refresh? How can I load the latest of this prefab? And okay, let me try to find in ChatGPT. In Unity, after I make changes to the component prefab, how can I load the latest changes? load those changes into the parent prefab. I don't know if I explained that accurately. Click Override in the top right of the inspector window. Click Apply All. Did that work? No. What did I do? What did I do? Height 0.07, right? No, this is 0.04. Revert all, maybe? No, it's not taking... Open the parent prefab. Unity should automatically detect the updated child. Reflect changes if not automatically updated. Revert overrides in the... Yeah, so revert. The transform rect transform overrides don't get reverted. Okay, so what I need to do is just basically copy component and then go here, paste component like that, and then they will all look the same in that case. Yep. Okay, so I know how to do this now. Now what I need to do is go to here, okay. So width is going to be 0.5, 7, let's say. I just have to make sure this looks good. Oh, no. No. What happened? What? Oh, Unity. Okay, same here. All right, let's see. Yeah, so they look good to me. Now I have to make sure if the player is injured, then I have to shorten this. And then have the skull mark beside it. So in order to do that, I need to be able to control the width. Right. Zero 0.7. Okay. There you go. That's what I need. That is exactly what I need. So I need to do the same to the background. Cool. So the injury marker is going to be on the background and is going to be like this, anchored to the right, pivot 0. Yep. A little bit. Oh, shoot. Yep, something like that. Okay, so the full width is going to be 0.7 for these. Okay, so if I go back to my code, foreground bar, background bar, foreground bar, right, so foreground bar, yep. Foreground bar image. Okay, so we need to determine injury state. Update background and foreground bar widths. And then here, we're going to say it's going to be 0.7. And size delta. Okay. And the fill ratio is always going to be that. I think we're good. I think we're good. Foreground bar. Wait, why the injury marker is like... Why is it always going to... It's not going to... Why? I don't know. I have a hard time saving the state to the prefab. I don't know. I'm hitting Control Save. Okay, that worked. Okay, so background object and foreground object. Again, hit save. Everything is good. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Where is the code that makes the health bar face the camera? Transform of I don't get it. What? It's been set. Oh, it's complaining about this. Okay. Why is this happening? Line 31. Object reference not set to instance of an object. So it's probably complaining about this, which I've already done here. What? Oh, it doesn't have anything. Why would that be the case? Foreground. Oh, it's in health bar. Oh, no, 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 no. In awake, foreground bar game object has a child called health bar, and the image component is in the health bar. Okay. Okay, that's good. So as you can see now, you can see he's injured. But initially, his initial health was really big. Oh, it's because we didn't do the health update. We didn't do it here. I got it. I got it. So we delete that. This is fine. And in the update, we are always going to be doing that. Oh. We're almost there. We're almost done for what we want to achieve today. Okay, so this is correct. He's injured. He's like 50% injured, so the health bar is reduced to 50%. Now, when he gets attacked, okay, everything is good. Okay, now both of them will be injured. Yep. I do kind of feel like I need to show the injured state, but I mean the percentage of the injury, but I think I'm happy where I am right now. This is good. Let me see. Is that really visible? That's the question. Yeah, so my question is that really visible? I guess it kind of is. Yeah. Okay. I think I'll stop here, but the Whoa, what was that just now? Oh, that can't be right. What just happened? Hold on. Whoa, it's going up. Whoa, it's going up. Okay, there's definitely something wrong here. Okay, let me see. Let me see. First of all, I think I do have some errors, right? It does not contain any known character name. So this whole injury state. Okay, I'm not gonna separate enemy and player here. I'm just gonna have battle unit HP, and then well, why is that? What? Why is it on the left hand side? That's really weird. There's no... Is there rotation given to it? No. That's really weird. No rotations, nothing, but why is it flipped? I have no idea. I have no idea why that's flipped. So delete that. Again, it's flipped here. I guess I have no choice. Anyway. Okay, so I've done that. Save. I think by default, the injury marker should be disabled. Okay, and the injury state only applies to ally characters. So if character is what? Character doesn't have ally? Interesting. Why? I thought I put something like is ally. Oh, sorry. Any character is okay, I see. I need to find a way to figure out whether the current unit. Ah, there you go. Unit. So here, if unit is ally, then we do this. This whole thing. Otherwise we skip. Handle injuries. Injury display. Okay, so everybody doesn't have injury. Whoa, what just happened? Both of them died? Okay. Maybe I need to give some more HP to Joel is gonna get. Joel is level 2 already, and he's gonna get 99, 99, but he's injured, right? And then we're gonna fight. What? Wait, Royd just attacked Joel? What just happened? No, that can't be true. That can't be true. Maybe we use Royd as a sacrifice. Whoa, the highlight on Royd is more intense for some reason. I will have to fix that too. I think everything looked okay, right? Like there was no glitch, no health bar glitch, nothing like that. I think we're good. Okay. Just one thing. Maybe I have time to fix the Royd glowing up too much. Let me think. Do I have time? Oh no, I don't have time now. I'll probably end the stream here. Let me just fix up all the code and everything. Get rid of all the debug logs. This doesn't need. Whoa, what's happening here? Game saver, inventory, camera control, player control. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, let's go to Unity and save the game or check in the game. And then I'm gonna say proper character injury marker displays. Check in. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching the stream, and